Dad, what are you doing?
I was trying to fix this TV.
I don't know if that's gonna do anything.
Think that's the wrong tool for it?
Probably.
That's a good screwdriver. I got something else. Let me try something else. See how that works out. Yeah, they brought me that TV. They said it, the picture was bad, and I said, well, bring it over. I bet I can fix it. The good thing is I always fix them. When I get done, nobody ever has problems with their electronics or TVs anymore. Let's see if I can fix it. That didn't work. Let's try this one. This might get it done. Ah, not quite. One more time, I'll do the trick. That fixed it!